Hello everyone. Today we will see what are the 10 basic Excel functions or formulas in the Excel sheet. I hope you all have a basic knowledge on how to open an Excel, how to take the sheets, each sheet, what you can do. I hope you all know this, how to save an Excel sheet. If you do not know, you can just comment below. So I will teach you how to do all that. So I am directly going to 10 basic Excel functions here. So here we are going to see today all this. This is very basic. Even if you are a student or if you are a mother or a father, you want to learn even after your career gap or you do not know anything about Excel, anyone can learn from this. I hope it will be very useful for you. So the 10 basic I will taking will be Ctrl C, that is copy, Ctrl V to paste, Ctrl X cut, Ctrl Z undo, Ctrl T table, Ctrl B to make the text bold, format painter, that is to make the same text and same size. Uppercase means capital letters, lowercase means small letters. Proper is all the first letter will be in capital. So these are the very basic things. There are so many other shortcuts or functions as well, but right now I have chosen these. So this, why we want to learn this is because all the data nowadays are filed in Excel. So Excel is always needed a basic data formatting. So it will look your datas in the Excel sheet properly. It will look neat, perfect, and you can align it in your own way. So for this, we will see the Ctrl C, that is copy. I will first show you how a data sheet looks like. So this is one example I have already taken. So I'm going to teach you how to copy paste in Excel. Let's say you're working in any industry, like you are in school, also you will be having so many school students. School, if you are in a school admission officer, so it for you the details of the students will be there. Or if you are in HR employee details will be there. Or if you are salesperson, then in sales there will be a lot of products. Or if you are in purchase also you will have lots, because in purchase even transactions, sales, products. If you are in manufacturing, you need Excel sheet. If you are in hospitality, then in hospital also we have patient details, right? So patient details, I'm just writing all this patient details, right? So everywhere we need Excel. Without Excel nowadays it's very difficult. This is the very basic thing. Now Excel is advanced, AI based, and also from Excel we are moving to completely AI platform where Excel is created by the application itself, AI application. So at least it's good to have some basic knowledge. So I'll be taking small shortkeys first, and then we will go to big formulas. So let's say you will have some data like this. You will have products, or you will have school, any of these department category details you will be having with you. You have to work on it. So let's see here, I have just written 3 examples here. Products are listed. Let's say this is a electronic shop. Even in shops, correct? Even in shops you will be having supermarkets, shops. All Excel sheets are used to track the products, to control the stock. So here you can see the product, laptop, mobile, camera. So this is basically electronic based accessories selling shop. So there they are using products. So here they are writing the list. So let's say you have laptop, mobile and camera here. You simply want to know the shortkeys. So for that, Ctrl C, Ctrl V are used very commonly. Let's say you have laptop twice in your, you want to write many times. So you don't have to write every time like laptop like this. No need. Instead, you can just take the laptop and Ctrl C. You have to press Ctrl in your keypad, and then by holding the control you have to press the C as well, Ctrl C. So now it has been copied, and now here you are going to press Ctrl V, that is Ctrl V. So this gets pasted here. That is what copy and paste is. So if you see, a laptop has been pasted over here one more time, and you can write 4. Okay, so like this. So if you want to do again mobile, Ctrl C. I have pressed the Ctrl and the C here in the keypad, and then I am going to paste it in the cell. If you don't want here, you have another table somewhere, or if you want to add it somewhere else, even in sheet 4, if you want to add, you can just simply paste it there, Ctrl V. Okay, so here if you see, this is not just one way, we have one more method. Let's say you do not have a keypad, you can simply press here, right click in your mouse or in your laptop. Just right click and you can see copy. Okay, there will be copy option here, that is here. See, if you see here, copy, and then you are going to select what text you want. Let's say I want laptop. You're going to copy it. See, this is copy. See, copy, Ctrl C, copy, and this is paste. You select where you want. Let's say you want the laptop here. Now you're going to paste it. This is paste is this one. Paste, see, it is written here. So this is Ctrl V, short key, but here also you can see the icon, so simply paste it. So paste. So what happened, even if you do not know to use the short keys in your keypad, or you don't have keypad, no worries, you can simply do this. Let's say in tab and all you don't have keypads, right? So you can simply do the copy and paste like this. So this is how we do copy and paste in Excel sheet. This can be useful in any of these departments. Okay, in any files, it will be copying the same way. Now we saw what is Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So we will color it. Okay, that means we finished. What color we can give? We will give light green color. So we finished what is copy and paste. Now we are going to see what is Ctrl X, that is cut, Ctrl Z, that is undo. For this, here we saw copy paste, and now we are going to see here how to do cut and undo in Excel sheet. I have taken the same example here, product, laptop, mobile, camera. So here if you see, let's say you wrote laptop here again, one more time. Here to just show, I will do the Ctrl C, copy, and I'm pasting it. Okay, let's say you paste it twice and you feel like, oh, what I did is wrong, I don't want that here. So what you do, either you do Ctrl C, Ctrl X. Ctrl X means what? To cut. For that, either do Ctrl and hold the Ctrl button and press the X in your keypad. Ctrl X. I did that, and I'm going to either paste that somewhere else. I want to go that laptop from here, and then I have to paste it here. Ctrl V, I'm pasting it there. Okay, so previously what happened in copy paste, it just copied. Here also laptop is there, here also laptop is there, but here it will cut. It will cut from here and it will get pasted somewhere. Okay, and let's say you did the same to this mobile also. You cut from there and you paste it here. Now you feel like, oh my god, I did not want to cut that. I want to go back to this step. Again, you don't need to cut and paste. You can simply press Ctrl Z to go back to the previous step. Let's say I want the step which I did now, right? That I want to go back. So what I will press, Ctrl and Z. So it went to the previous step. See? If you want this to go back also, again I will go Ctrl Z. So again and again we go back to Ctrl Z is to go to the previous steps what we did. So that is called undo. So cut is to completely cut from there. For this short key we have here also. If you see this scissor icon, see scissor icon is for cut. So if you just click on this laptop and you're going to do this, click on this cut scissor icon, it will get cut, and you want to paste it, you can just simply paste it here. Paste. See? Either do Ctrl X cut, or you do click on this X icon, I mean the scissor icon. So it will cut. Now for undo, you just simply go back. Ctrl Z. We do have option Ctrl Z here in this. I couldn't show it here. We do have an back arrow in this file, so it will go back to the previous step. So that way also you can do cut and undo in Excel sheet. Again, this will be very useful in your data sheets where you are working in different departments, like school admission. You entered one employee's detail which was wrong and you want to go back to the previous step, then you can do undo. Or if you want to completely remove that person's name, either delete or you can just do Ctrl X, cut and paste it somewhere else. So this is how we do copy paste and cut undo in Excel sheet. Now we learned Ctrl X cut and Ctrl Z undo. So I am going to color it because we finished learning how to do that. Next we are going to see Ctrl T and Ctrl B. Ctrl T is for creating a table. You want to convert it to one standard table. Any data to a standard table which will have headlines and all. So for that we press Ctrl T. How we will do, I will show you. Next we will see Ctrl B. Ctrl B is what? To make the text to bold. So for that, now I have created a table to show how to turn cells, each cell, all of the details into a table format in Excel sheet. This is also a table, but it is not in a proper format. Instead of going here and searching in the title bar and searching for the where is the table, to avoid that easily we have shortcut. For that we have to do Ctrl and T. This is the short key for that. Ctrl T is the short key for that. Okay, this is all our short keys that we are keep learning now. Okay, so here this is a table, right? So you will get lot of products. You keep typing here. You see, now I made a mistake. Now I'm going to do undo. I'm keeping undo, so I will go to the previous. See, like let's say you're writing something here, you're writing here. Okay, so you get some products, 1, 2 you're writing, but it's not in a proper table format, right? So for that it's very easy. Just either you will copy paste all this in one from another file to your Excel, or you will type, right? After typing, let's say these are the products and these are the price, these are the sales. Okay, so this has headlines. Headlines are there. Then it has some numbers, everything. So select everything, whatever you want to make it to a table, select it, and now you are just going to press Control, hold Control and press T. See, hold Control and press T. Now what it is showing, see, it's selected. Whatever I selected, it's selected all. See, it is locked. Dollar signs are also showing from J6. So see, from J6 to M16 here. Okay, from here you can see these cells have been selected, and my table has header. Yes, my table has this header. Filter the table, and it will also give me a filter icon over there. Okay, now I'm going to press OK. What will happen? See, it gave me a standard table format. If you want header, see, it is already given header. Instead of going and searching in the tabs table tool like that, it automatically gave the table format. See, so this is what our table looks like. It do have filter also. You just have to select. Okay, if you want to see vacuum cleaner only, let's say this has so many down products are there, thousands of products are there, you use filter to find where it is. Like if you want to see the television, how much it cost and how much sales is done, you just have to filter here television, use and select all, so all will be deselected, then select only television and do OK. See, you can see only television, that is number 5th product in our shop, and then the price of the television 9,000. 8 televisions are sold. Okay, so this is how we can now select everything will be selected. Press OK, you will go back to the normal table. So this is how we standardly change the selected cells to tables in Excel sheet. This is very good to have this short key, because it will, even if your cell is having entire, let's say entire sheet is having the informations, okay, in that case you can select all together at a time. You can change it to table, that too in a format way. Okay, so this is very useful. Now we learned what is Ctrl T, how to turn cells to tables. Now we are going to learn about Ctrl B. You know what is Ctrl B means? Bold. Let's say I have products. Have you seen in any tables some cells to highlight, you will be keeping it in bold. Let's say I'm selecting all this. I want all this to be highlighted. So I will just do Ctrl B. Okay. So for this, we have here also. Okay. So we have here also. Let's say this product list I want to convert to Control. See, everything. B means bold. It is already here. It's very easy. So all the list of products are in bold now. If you don't find this, let's say you don't find this, you want to, so bold means capital B, first letter is B, right? So B, so just select which all you want to. Let's say you don't want all the list bold, you want only the more valued thing. Now if you see, the more value washing machine is 18,000 dirhams, I mean dirhams or rupees or dollars, whatever currency. Let's say washing machine you want to highlight because that is the costliest in this. So just press Control and just holding the Control and pressed B. Now what happened? I didn't go here. I didn't go to my home tab and click here. I just did, see, I'm doing television also, or we will check the least one. 81. Calculator is only 81. Okay. Control B. I did it in the keypad. So what happened? Now this calculator turned to B, right? Let's say your hand mistakenly kept calculator did not wanted Ctrl B, but you selected that also and you did by mistake. Now you want to go to previous step. So you don't have to go and change and search here. What you can do, simply do Ctrl Z to go back to, which we learned here, undo. Simply go back to Ctrl Z in the keypad. So it went back to normal size, right? Not bold. So this is washing machine is alone highlighted, correct? And if you want to color the that also possible. Let's say you want washing machine to be in red color. See, that is also possible. After making it bold, you can change the color also. So that is what Ctrl B is all about. Now we learned what is Ctrl T to turn table to table format, and Ctrl B to make the cells highlighted. So we will give a color here. We will give green. Okay, that means we finished all this. Now we have format painter. Same text and same size we need. For this, let's go here. Let's say you have, I'll show you an example. Now let's see how to do format paint. Here is the format painter icon. See, it is to paint. Okay, not color painting. It is same text and size formatting. Okay, not the normal paint what we usually do. It's not that. So let's say you want all the files details in the same format. Okay, that means same text and same size. Maybe you will get different details from different files, and you will be just copy pasting here. So maybe in that file the text may be in Arial font, or the size is different. In another file, the see here the font is different, the size is different. This is capital, this is, see, this is capital, this is Algerian font. So many fonts are there here. So maybe if you see, this is 18, Calibri 18, and this one is Calibri 11 only. So the size and the text, that is the font and size. Exact word is font and size is different, right? Here in this details, you want all to be in the same format. So let's say you want this, if you see, this is Calibri 11, this one also Calibri 11. So what we will do, this is a very good format, a standard one. So you want to apply that to all your files. Let's say this here we have only 10, right? But what if the file is so big, you have thousands of columns down and rows, right? In that case, you can do format painting. You just have to make sure the first one is your perfect format. So now Calibri and 11, this you are going to keep, this also Calibri 11 you are going to keep. Now we want this to apply all the all the other tables also, details. So I'm going to click this both, because I want to drop down to all others. So I want to choose this both and simply press format painter. Okay, once I press format painter, see what happened. Okay, we will do one by one for your easiness. Once I click on this, you see a plus symbol and also a brush, paint brush type. So it is going to change all this to whatever you have selected for this font and size. So now I'm going to drag it. What will happen? Everything will change to Calibri 11. Same font and size. Now the same here, format painter. What is going to happen? I'm going to select all the remaining. What happens? It will change to Same font and size. Now the file looks even better. Right? This is the perfect way to do the same format for text and size in an Excel sheet. I hope you understood this. So there is an icon here. You can use that to do that. Now we finished how to do format painter to change same text to same size. So I'm going to color this. Okay. So after coloring, now next 3 more are there. What are those? These are letter based. So cases, uppercase, capital letters, lowercase, small letters, proper case, all first letter to capital. Let's see how to do that. For that, I have taken 3 different columns. Okay, tables. I have already done the tables. Okay, I have done all the tables here. This is Ctrl T I press to bring this to a table format everywhere. Okay, this one and all I wanted B, capital B. I just pressed Ctrl B to make it all bold. Okay, so this one we are going to see how to make all this. Let's say we have a very random product list here, which the size and font, everything is very mismatching. Okay, size and context, like the fonts are mismatching. See, some are capital in the first letter, some are 3 letters are capital, then it is small letter, this is completely small letters. So this is, see, first word is capital, the small letters, and second word is completely capital. So these are the different files that we get a messy file. Most of the time we get messy files. So to make this completely to uppercase, what we can do, I will add one more column here. For that, just right click and insert column right side. Okay, I'm going to do right side. If you want, you can do left side also. So after doing that, what we need to make it to all capital letters. All the product list I want in capital. So I will simply press uppercases means to change it to capital. So what will happen? Just write equal to. This is a formula. Okay, equal to. What I have to do? I have to write upper. Just remember this word upper. Upper means capital. Open the bracket. Now I want equal to upper the text. What is the text here? They are asking for text. You know what is the text here? Our product, fan. This is text here. Why I want fan? Because all the products only I want to make it to uppercase. So I'm going to close it now. No more things to add here. So I'm going to close. Next, what I'm going to do is enter. Just press enter in your keyboard. See the magic? What happened? All the different text was here, right? Different font size was there. It was very messy. Now it changed to capital. Yes. So now all are in capital letters. See how neat it is now. Understood. So now this, like this, you can use uppercase. Upper, see, you can see the formula here. I have applied upper, and then we got everything to capital letter. Now you want the next one. That is what? I want everything to be lowercase. What is lower? Small letter. Even the first letter also I want small letter. In this case, what we have to do is the word lower. Lower means small. Okay, I'm going to insert right again. Now I'm going to write the formula is equal to, press is equal to, what you will write? Lower. Lower, open the bracket. What is asking? Text. Which is your text? This one. Okay, once you click on text, close the bracket and enter. Now what happens? everything changed to smaller, small letter, right? Even the first letter also changed to, now it looks even, right? All are evenly changed to small letter. This is how we change text to small letter. So lowercase, uppercase, these things you have to remember. Small letter means lower, big letter means, meaning capital letter means uppercase. Now this is the third one. What is this? Turn text to proper case. What is turn text to proper case means? First letters, okay, are going to change to capital, not just for one word, for every word. For each word we are going to make the first letter to capital. Let's say we have employee name here, okay. If you are working as sales or HR, or you are a finance manager, then you will be having this, right? So employee names are, you have either first name or second name, or it can be a third name, middle name. So but did you notice here the first letter is M, Manoj. M is capital, agree. But in the second name or the third name, the first letter is small. Here everything is small. Here everything is capital. So it is a mess. This is not in a proper format. So I am going to keep what? What is the standard way of writing a name? First letter of each name will be capital. So I want it in that format. So if you see, I am going to do create another column. Okay. Now I am going to do the equation. Formula is equal to, what is it? You know what it is called? Proper. Okay. Proper. So I am going to write the word proper. Proper means to make it proper. Okay. So open the bracket. It is also asking for text. Simply press the first name, that first text column, then close the bracket. Enter. What happened? The first name and the second name became, the first letter became capital. Now you see everything will change to the same form. Just simply drag. If you click here, I'll do undo and show you. If you click here, that means you can drag it so that it will apply to all the other columns as well. So dragging it, drag wherever till wherever you want. See, now Shilpa Bhaskar, first letter and second name, first letter also in capital. See, this is a proper way of writing a name, right? Even if you have one more name, let's say Anna, Mary, John. Okay, see, the John became, J became capital. You are writing here everything in caps. Kaylee, Linda, Jessie. If you are writing here wrongly. It is a capital letter, but still here it will make it properly. So this is what proper case means, meaning all the first letters of each word will become capital. I hope you understood the three major letter text functions in Excel sheet: upper, lower, proper. Okay, so we finished upper, capital letter, lower, small letter, proper. All the first letter of each word turns to capital. So see, today we easily learned the 10 basic Excel functions, which is very, very useful for beginners. This is a very, very beginning formulas that everybody will be knowing in this century, right? Everybody are using Excel, even kids, everybody are using. So I still wanted to take this because I still feel it will be very useful for children who are like 10 years and above, or even if it will be useful for parents to follow this and then teach them. I have so many examples given together in this file only. It looks messy, but I feel it's even better to understand. Okay, So I hope you all liked it. I'll be taking more Excel functions, formulas, tricks and tips in the Excel. Other functions also I will bring. So if you really like it, please subscribe. It will be very helpful for me. It will be an encouragement for me also to take more videos. So looking forward. See you in next video. I'll be coming up with next 10 basic Excel, another set soon. And also I'm uploading shorts of each, copy paste everything, shorts also I'm uploading in shorts, so short videos, so you can watch that also, so you don't have to wait till this and long videos, and if you don't have patience here, you can follow shorts. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.